Going down outdoor adventures late at night with some Morel mushrooms. Got them cut up, got them battered. Getting ready to put them in the grease. I got one in there already. It's ready to come out. The sampler. Ooh, that looks good. Got them nice and coated. Sizzle, sizzle. Morel mushrooms, my friend blessed me with earlier today. He found a batch of them, so he shared with us. And the wife and my daughter wanted some late at night, so I'm making them. There you have it. Morel mushrooms. First of the year, 2021. First ones, and we got some big ones. Look at that. All right. We'll see you next time on Down Outdoor Adventures.